In this one, let's try to understand the first and last occurrence of elements. Here in this problem, what will happen is going to be given an array of numbers which are sorted in ascending order. We will also be given a target value. Our aim is to find the first occurrence and the last occurrence of that given target value in the ascending order sorted array and return the two values in the end where the first occurrence is there and the last occurrence is there. If you think these are the array of values that we are going to get, value of 7 that we are going to look for. In a brute force approach, what you will do is you will keep comparing the values exactly at what index you find the value. You will add it into that result array where exactly you will find the last index, you will add it into result array. But the idea here is to solve this problem. The technique that we need to use is nothing but the binary searching technique. So the idea here is to apply the binary searching technique twice, once for the first occurrence and another time for the last occurrence. We will assume index 0 as a start and last index will be nothing but end. We will calculate the middle. At index 2, the value we have is 7. That means the value we want is also 7, so we are good. But here we are running this binary searching technique for finding the first occurrence. So whatever we have here, it could be the first occurrence or it could be the last occurrence or it could be anywhere also. So what we need to do is we just need to keep track of this inside a variable first occurrence. In the beginning it will be -1. So what we will do is this first occurrence we will override it with the value we have found it. Now here the value that we are looking for is 7 and we found it at the middle index. If we are to find the first occurrence, where we need to look further, we can't stop it there. So our aim is to continue further on the left side of the middle, because if we are looking for the first occurrence, it should be there on the left. That is the reason why here what we will do is end we will update it with the middle -1. Again we will calculate 0 plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 0.5. So if we bubble down, it will be 0. The value we have here is 5, but the value we are looking for is 7. So what we will do, start we will update it with the middle plus 1. Again we will continue, start plus end is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 1. At index 1 we have a value of 7, which is what we are looking for. So what we need to do, we need to override the value that we are keeping track with the index 1. End will be pointing to index 0, start is pointing to index 1, and now the overlap has done. We can't search any further, so we can stop. So that is the idea for the first occurrence. But for finding the last occurrence, we need to continue the process on the right side. So we will basically find the last occurrence. So with that thought, I'll leave the searching of the last occurrence to you. If at all, if you are not able to do that, use the link in the description to go to codingpal.org where we have discussed this in detail.